Our rule builder GigLogic is directly integrated into our platform's back office and allows for the creation of custom rule sets to automate a variety of business areas. Accessible directly via the main menu, it offers a visual interface for creating your own rules using more than 100 different blocks, each of which has their own functionality. These blocks enable you to create rules which are simple or highly complex, interacting with your front end, reacting to customer actions, flagging players, or messaging operational teams. Every rule has a start block where we can see the activator type, essentially what will trigger the rule. The system allows for rules to be activated or triggered by any message within our platform's data streams, with information coming in from gig data, gig sports, or even a webhook. For this example, we will listen in to the platform's various data streams, and we can further drill down the type of data which will trigger our rule. This allows us to trigger the rule based on what may be happening in a game, a KYC change, deposit, withdrawal, or any other activity which generates data within the back office. Adding onto your blocks is as simple as clicking on the green node within the start block. This will bring up the block selector from where you can select the next block in the logic. Each block does its own thing, and with over 100 blocks, we provide you with the flexibility you need to adapt your business and automate a large part of your operations. As we have selected a registration as our activator, we can start by filtering down for the player's country and then adding a player tag, as well as assigning a specialized bonus for any players which meet the filter criteria. Should the block requirements be met, the logic will flow along the green nodes. Should a player register from a different country, we can specify the negative path using the red node. From here we can add on a time delay in order for us to check whether or not the player has made a deposit since registration, and in case of the player not depositing, we can contact your chosen CRM tool to send an email or an SMS to the player. In this way, you can easily build up rules which segment your player database, recognize and respond to player behaviors, create your own gamification layer, configure custom credit card routing, and more. By building intelligent notification rules for your employees, GigLogic can save hundreds of man-hours in player investigations and ensure a more efficient and effective customer support across all levels, from KYC and responsible gaming to payments, risk and fraud, or VIP. GigLogic sets itself apart by giving you the added ability to create your own keys, essentially parameters against which you can save data. Keys can be reused within your rules to create complex calculations and interactions, like a total wagered, total lost, or accumulated deposits key. These can then be used to create automated rewards, or in the case of player segmentation, to add player tags when specific spend brackets have been achieved. GigLogic also supports communication with any third-party system as long as there is an API. Using the Web API block, we can trigger an email via your chosen CRM tool, send a message on Slack, or even fetch the weather from a weather station.